Okay. Whose wheelchair's going to go fast?
Nathan. Nathan.
Nathan's what?
Go.
Go what? Fast or slow?
Okay, I'm looking for someone to go first to take a picture with me that's sitting quiet.
Fast.
Say all of it.
Nathan's go fast.
Nathan's wheelchair's going to go fast. That's so cool.
Nathan. Nathan.
Nathan's wheelchair?
Sign it next week. It's no biggie.
Where's your wheelchair?
Next time you see me, think about it. Because I've already got the idea.
Where's your wheelchair?
Nathan.
That's okay. Next week, between the two of us.
Wheelchair. Go. Fast.
Okay.
Nathan's wheelchair go fast.
That is so cool.